Welcome to this quick mindful moment. In our busy lives, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, forgetting to take a moment for ourselves. This practice is designed to help you reconnect with the present, no matter where you are or what you're doing. You can practice this anywhere, at your desk, on the bus, or even while waiting in line. The beauty of mindfulness is its flexibility. It doesn't require a special setting or a lot of time, or during a short break. There's no need to close your eyes if you don't want to. Simply bring your attention to the present moment. Let's start by noticing our surroundings. Notice 3 things you can see around you right now. It could be the color of the walls, the shape of a plant, or the way the light filters through the window. Take a moment to really see these things. 5-second pause, soft breath. Now, notice 2 sounds in your environment. Maybe it's the hum of a computer, the distant chatter of colleagues, or the rustling of leaves outside. Allow these sounds to come and go without judgment. 5-second pause, soft breath. Finally, notice 1 sensation in your body. It could be the feeling of your feet on the ground, the texture of your clothing, or the rise and fall of your breath. Just observe this sensation without trying to change it. 5-second pause, soft breath. As you continue your day, notice how you're sitting or standing. Are you slouched or upright? Is there tension anywhere in your body? 3-second pause, soft breath. Is there tension anywhere? If you find any, see if you can gently release it. 3-second pause, soft breath. What's the quality of your breath right now? Is it shallow or deep? Fast or slow? 3-second pause, soft breath. No need to change anything. Just notice. Allow your breath to be as it is. 3-second pause, soft breath. This simple practice of noticing can be your anchor to the present moment. Whenever you feel overwhelmed or distracted, come back to this practice. Use it anytime during your day. Whether you're in a meeting, having a conversation, or simply taking a walk, bring your attention back to the present. Take 1 more conscious breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Notice the sensation of breathing. And continue your day with renewed awareness. Carry this sense of mindfulness with you, and let it enhance your daily experiences.